Hey, Justin from Goldpenguin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate a page built with the Breakdance page builder in WordPress in just a few clicks without any WordPress addition or any additional plugins installed. So this is the page we're going to duplicate. It is a simple homepage hero that I made. So go ahead and enter the pages in your WordPress admin panel. Add a new page. We'll call this homepage duplicate. And go ahead and publish this page and hit edit in Breakdance. Once the builder pops up, we're going to hit add, but we're not going to be adding an element. We're going to be clicking library, which will bring up this element, all these elements, all the things that we can do. But click on element demos and change it to this website. That's going to bring up all of the pages on your website that you can copy. You can see these various different pages. So I'm going to take hero homepage and import the entire page on my website. And just like that, in a few clicks, we've got everything here, easy, and you can go ahead and modify it. So yep, hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed.